Good afternoon, everyone. Have you had a great week? I hope so. Have you been participating in the Spirit Week activities? Several of your teachers and I have been, and I'm anxious to see what the results are. I wonder if we've made it walking or running to SWACO. I'm not sure which one of my activities is my favorite. I think the Avengers one certainly wore me out, but I quite enjoyed doing the different dances. I'll be interested to hear what you found interesting this week. For our assembly, we have a presentation or a video from Miss Jan's class, and I think we have a few other surprises. So enjoy and have a great 4-day weekend.
Hello Primary School, Miss Avril here. Hope you guys are fine. How has your week of sports challenge been going? We are trying to be healthy and we're trying to be balanced and do some exercise. I hope you two are doing the same. We've been in lockdown, not at home, so we couldn't pack our house t-shirts, but we are definitely representing the Lions. Go Lions. Okay, after assembly I'll post the learner profile nominations for this week. Otherwise, guys, get your shoes on and get running. Bye-bye.
This is my cover of my book I made. It's I'm gonna read the title to you now, and the title is The Workouts Which Are Good for You by Logan Stefanis, illustrated by Logan Stefanis. And the idea I got this book from was from Dr. Seuss. This is my second page of the book, and I'm gonna read the lines to you. Once upon a time, there were 3 friends. They liked to stay fit and eat healthy food. Every day they meet at the gym. One day, the president announced a lockdown, and everybody has to stay home. Billy, Nora, and Chloe had to be creative. And the president saying, I write a picture, lockdown, stay at home, be safe. And thinkers, they had to make their own workout so they can do it at home. Each of them started to record their own workouts, and Billy's lifting up a weight. Billy did weights. Nora did jumping jacks and skipping rope. Chloe did running and squats. They started their ideas during the Zoom meeting. On Friday, Billy created a Zoom meeting and all his friends could join. They exercised for an hour and they had a lot of fun.
Hi Primary School, we just got back from our walk and run. Make sure you're drinking lots of water during this time. Let's go on with our learner profile nominations this week. Madame Letitia has nominated Pfizer. Since the beginning of remote learning, Pfizer is completing all her tasks and posting them with enthusiasm and appreciation. She's mostly been trying to use the French language as well. Bravo, Pfizer. Miss K has nominated Ruben and Luca in grade 5K. They work so well together during the PYP exhibition. They work collaboratively and they complete their work and make sure their tasks are submitted on time. Also, Neil in grade 5K has shown commitment and enthusiasm, and within the grade 5 PYP exhibition group, he's attended and cooperated in all of his meetings. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Moving on to our Principal Awards, Soliana in EY3. Not only has Soliana been posting her work on Seesaw, She's also been practicing her sounds and sight words this week for language. Keep it up, Soliana. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Moving on to our Risk Taker Award, we've got quite a lot of nominations this week. Miss Jan has nominated Elena in Grade 1J. Grade 1 has done a wonderful job of creating and sharing stories this week. But Miss Jan would like to nominate Elena for being a risk taker, for choosing to share her story through the act of mime. Quite a feat. Madame Letitia would like to thank Amos and Jackie, Ina and Ian's parents from Grade 1. I, Madame Letitia, would like to acknowledge Amos and Jackie for all the support they are providing to the children by practicing enthusiastically oral skills in French class since the beginning of the remote learning day. I am very impressed and I really appreciate the dedication, enthusiasm and commitment of all of you as a family. I can only say merci. Madame Letitia would also like to nominate Julia in Grade 4. Julia shared a really creative video of herself making a French recipe, la mousse à chocolat. She demonstrated a deep understanding of how to make the recipe and she followed perfectly every step. She also explained it in French and the result looked divine. Well done, bravo Julia. Miss Debbie has nominated Soraya in Grade 2. Soraya broke her arm 2 weeks ago. I'm really sorry, Soraya, to hear that. I hope you're okay. This made her a bit worried and nervous, I can understand. But at first she was a bit worried, yeah. But then she came up with creative ways to show her learning. Thank you for being a risk taker, said Miss Debbie, and for showing commitment. Miss Beata in Grade 2 would like to nominate Beata, her student in Grade 2. Beata is not afraid to try new activities planned for her during this time. She always pushes a lot of effort into her work and she likes to challenge herself. She also is independent of spirit and she likes to explore new ideas and strategies to support her own learning. Miss Jeannie would like to nominate Ruben Jackson Reed in Grade 5K for art. Ruben was the very first student to take on the art challenge to build himself a fortress castle in his lounge at home. He used different pieces of furniture like tables and curtains, and he was the first student to be risk taker and post his creativity. Thank you, Ruben. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Balanced Award. Miss Deirdre would like to nominate in EY3 Calum. Calum has been very balanced through remote learning, always making sure to exercise as well as complete his other tasks. Calum always posts videos of himself exercising. He even did an exercise video as part of his unit of inquiry. Keep it up, Calum. And our final Balanced Award goes to Alex. Miss Debbie would like to nominate Alex in Grade 2. Alex has been balanced throughout the remote learning. He always makes sure that he shares his understanding of each task. Last week, he was the only one to give me a thumbs up when he completed the task for the weeks. Thank you, Alex. Let's give them a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Our Communicator Award. Miss Carty has nominated Landru in EY1 and 2. He's very creative in his seesaw responses. He's regularly using different apps, dress-ups, different setups for his recordings and his videos to present his work in the best possible way. Miss Kay has nominated Sky in Grade 5. Sky has been a great communicator during the Grade 5 exhibition. She's made sure that she communicates with her group and her mentor and her teachers, and she makes sure that all documents are in the right place. Miss Beata has nominated AJ in Grade 2B for being a communicator. AJ is showing good traits of becoming a communicator. He uses an audio recording when he doesn't understand a task. He also communicates with me when his task is complete. AJ speaks clearly when presenting his findings. Miss Jeannie would like to nominate an art. Logan, Ezra, Afonso. All of these students have been showing great creative thoughts and communicating their ideas of all their artwork. They post excellent descriptions of their art pieces that they're doing. I'm really impressed with their work. Well done. Let's give the communicators a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Moving on to our reflective nomination, Miss Cartier would like to nominate Totsley. Totsley showed himself to be a reflective learner. He's able to see his own mistakes. He tries his best to work towards correcting them. He's always trying to complete all the given tasks with lots of enthusiasm and a level of concentration. Even sometimes it's required extra effort from him, but he never ever gives up. Let's give him a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Our Thinker Award. Miss Charnay would like to nominate Mossa. Mossa in Grade 3 has shown herself to be a thinker, applying her knowledge of persuasive writing this week. She's written a really good writing draft for her piece so far. Well done. Miss Jeannie has nominated Tato for being a thinker. Tato was the first to think about designing a face mask for his art assignment and posted it on Seesaw. He made it carefully and posted photographs of how he put it together with a comment. Well done, Tato. Let's give them a whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Okay. Open-minded. Miss Katia has nominated Anandre in EY 1 and 2. Anandre shows herself as an open-minded student. She often takes her learning a step further by adding tasks to the learning plan and successfully completes these as well. Well done, Anandre. Let's give her a final whoosh. 1, 2, 3, whoosh. Until next time, primary school, have a wonderful long weekend. We'll see you after 4 days. Take care. Bye-bye.